Toyota Motor Philippines Corporation has begun rolling out the Next Generation Tamaraw from its automotive assembly plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna. The Next Generation Tamaraw is based on Toyota's new International Multipurpose Vehicle or IMV platform for the Asian market. Speaking at the ceremonial rollout, TMP Chairman Alfred T. said the Next Generation Tamaraw is the third locally produced model, joining the Vios and Innova assembled at the company's facility in Santa Rosa, Laguna.
We are committed to making this vehicle as accessible and affordable to Filipinos with a target starting price of below 800,000 pesos for the short wheelbase drop side gas variant, complemented by flexible financing schemes tailored to the real-life needs of working Filipinos and MSMEs. We aim to empower businesses and individuals to achieve their dreams and actively contribute to the nation's progress.
The Next Generation Tamaraw represents a significant investment of 5.5 billion pesos to build the capacity to produce about 22,000 units annually, while also establishing a state-of-the-art 1.5-hectare TMP conversion factory.
The Tamaraw project exemplifies the potential of collaboration. Beyond being Toyota's third production model in the country, this initiative is expected to create over 500 direct jobs, support 15,090 spillover employment opportunities, and strengthen the automotive value chain. TMP's workforce, now at approximately 3,000 strong, will further grow, fueling progress in both our manufacturing and local supplier sectors. In PEZA, we are ready to support Toyota every step of the way.
As we look ahead, the IMV0 project opens exciting possibility for diversifying our product in Asia. The mobility needs of our region are very unique, and the IMV0 development builds a very strong heritage of the IMV line product in Asia. I have great confidence that Tamaraw will be a resounding success in the Philippines, truly a game changer, and will meet the evolving demands of our customer and strengthening further our footprint in this market.